This is the unboxing video for the Ilmberger carbon fiber R90 style Café fairing for the BMW R9T. First, let's talk about customer service. I emailed ICF several times over the last few months as I tried to make a decision as to which Café fairing to purchase for my R9T. ICF always emailed me back promptly and answered questions and were very helpful. Let's talk about shipping. I purchased this fairing on ICF's website on February 25th and received it 1 calendar week later. 1 week shipping from Germany to Alabama in the United States is exceptional. The container was well fortified, had these edges fortified for the shipping that went from international Germany to America. Very well done container to handle the bumps and bruises of international shipping. Now let's see what's in the box. Here is the carbon fiber fairing itself. It's protected in its own cloth pouch and it looks exceptional. Gloss finish, very solid. We have the windscreen over here, well protected in bubble wrap. The windscreen does come with the purchase of the cockpit fairing, the R90 style cockpit fairing. You do have to purchase separately the, again here, well bubble wrap accessories. These are additional mounting parts and brackets. They are also provided not only in bubble wrap, but then they're in their own cloth pouch. And then we have the instructions, which are rather well written. The front fairing 90 style with the windshield and the fairing holder. So looking at the costs, there are several Café fairings on the market for our R9Ts. Wunderlich is a fine choice. Many people have chosen that. I love Wunderlich. However, I thought the style of this full carbon fiber fairing was superior, and the cost came in several $100s south of the best competition. I will be installing this fairing on my R9T in the coming days, and we'll post some videos to update. Thank you.